Okay, hey, it's What's Cooking. It's Mary Beth, and I am going to show you what I think is a really tasty little bite, super easy to make. So this little guy right here is take a date, a dried date. You could do this with a prune as well, using my Cutco spatula again. I love this thing, I use it all the time. Okay, kind of open it up like that. Then take a little bit of blue cheese. I happen to have crumbled blue cheese from Trader Joe's. Sort of smush it back together, pinch it back together, and then take a piece of prosciutto and roll it nice and tight. And then this becomes a nice little bite as you build your charcuterie, which is what I'm doing. So I've got a bunch of various cheeses out and some pate, but this is going to be just one of those little added things that you can make your cheese plate stand out and your appetizers be a little bit more special. So again, just pinch it together, take a piece of the prosciutto. You don't need anything too big. If it has some of that stringy kind of fat on it, you might want to just peel that off. Wrap it up nicely. I mean, Devil's on Horseback, that's a prune and it's wrapped in bacon and broiled. This is going to be a non-baked item, and you could probably make a few of these and have them, ready for the holiday. Put them in a nice airtight container and just have it ready to rock and roll if somebody just happens to pop by, which we love to have happen at our house, so we're all about that. Okay. So, a little Trader Joe's love. You've got your pitted dates, you've got some crumbled blue cheese, and you have some nice prosciutto. And voila!